All right, tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tonight, I'm going to be doing a mastermind about how to make money chase you. If you are tired of chasing money, if you're tired of worrying about money, I'm going to share with you the mental and physical strategies that helped me stop chasing money and get money to chase me. You're invited to it. 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The only thing I ask is that you bring something to take notes with so that you can not only consume, but when the session is over, apply the information you've learned. This is free. After this week, all of my meetings go back to paid sessions, but I'm inviting you to be a part of this. 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. Get ready to master your mind and make money online. It's Robbie Cornelius.